Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a personal finance book that contrasts the financial philosophies of two father figures in the author's life: his biological father, Poor Dad, and his best friend's father, Rich Dad. The book aims to challenge traditional views about money and investment. Main themes: 1. The mindset difference. Poor Dad believes in working for money, prioritizing job security, and relying on formal education. He represents the conventional approach to financial success through hard work and education. Rich Dad advocates for financial education, making money work for you, and understanding how money functions. He focuses on building assets and passive income. 2. Financial education. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of financial literacy, which he feels is lacking in traditional education systems. He emphasizes understanding financial statements, investing, and the difference between assets and liabilities. 3. Assets versus liabilities. Assets: investments that generate income, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. Liabilities: items that consume income, like cars, houses with mortgages, and loans. Kiyosaki argues that many people mistakenly consider liabilities as assets. 4. The rat race. The book describes the rat race as the cycle of working hard, earning money, spending it on liabilities, and needing to work harder to pay off debts and maintain lifestyle. Breaking out of this cycle involves building assets that generate passive income. 5. The importance of entrepreneurship and investment. Kiyosaki encourages readers to consider entrepreneurship and investments as pathways to financial independence. He believes in taking calculated risks and learning from failures. 6. Mind your own business. Focus on building and managing your own assets rather than solely relying on a paycheck from an employer. Diversify your income sources to reduce dependency on a single source. Key lessons. 1. The rich don't work for money. Instead, they make money work for them. This involves investing in assets that generate passive income. 2. Financial education is crucial. Understanding basic financial principles is more valuable than traditional academic knowledge alone. Learn how to read financial statements, manage cash flow, and assess investments. 3. Overcoming obstacles. Fear, cynicism, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance are the 5 obstacles to financial success. Overcoming these obstacles requires a shift in mindset and continuous learning. 4. Work to learn, not to earn. Seek jobs that offer opportunities to learn new skills, even if they don't pay well. Skills in sales, marketing, and financial management are particularly valuable. 5. Take action. Knowledge without action is futile. Apply what you learn by starting small investments and learning from experience. Practical advice. Start investing early and regularly. Focus on buying assets that will generate income. Continuously educate yourself about finance and investment. Understand tax laws and leverage them to your advantage. Seek mentors and learn from successful people. Conclusion. Rich Dad, Poor Dad serves as an introductory guide to changing one's mindset about money and financial independence. It advocates for financial literacy, strategic investment, and entrepreneurship as means to achieve financial freedom.